I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Google Play account details you want to use. This is critical because iOS links will rely on your Google credentials. Once done, install Pubg Mobile from the App Store and sign out of any existing in-game account. Next, prepare your Google authentication. Make sure you can receive codes or have backup codes ready. This prevents lockouts when linking. Finally, keep the Gmail and password at hand so you can proceed without interruptions. Now, open Pubg Mobile and tap Settings, then Basic to find Account Management. You do this because Pubg uses OAuth to link external accounts. Once inside Account, choose Google and the game will prompt an in-app browser for Google sign-in. Select the correct Google account. Allow the permissions requested so Pubg can read basic profile info. Make sure you grant access and confirm linking. If the account already appears, use Remove, then Link to reset the connection and avoid account conflicts. Finish by restarting Pubg Mobile and checking your profile, inventory, and purchases to confirm the Google Play account applied correctly. This step verifies progress and prevents data loss. If you migrated or expected purchases, use Restore Purchase in Settings or relog into Google. If the link fails, clear app cache, reinstall the app, and re-authenticate Google. That often resolves token errors. If two-factor blocks you, use backup codes to regain access. Always keep backups to avoid permanent lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.